Di mo imaw sa mga IT.
Solway pa nag-skandalo.
Ay, maan lang. Hindi dyan pa sa CCIS.
Nagabahol na ng gamo. Ati maawat dyan ka.
Ay, maan, nag-una-una man abi yung, kilala mo ra?
Hindi ko kilala na.
Ano ra mga IT? Tanang or comsite
popcorn,
tanan?
popcorn.
Ay, maan lang, kid.
Popcorn.
Biranawa na ba?
Ano oras yan natabo, Man, anyo?
Hindi.
Ay, ang bot lang, kid.
Sir, ginapilit nanda ako sa course nanda. Hasta kaya gani, wapo ka man kung ano bulan ko, pero ginapilit nanda ako nga bulan ng course nanda. Hasta kaya, confused gani ako gihapon.
Ma'am, hindi magkabala ka. Didya kami para i-guide ka o kagbuligan ka sa imo college journey.
So, ka-college lang kita. So, diyan kami, para buligan naman ikaw.
Wait, gani, dapat magbuliligani na kita.
Pero bago ra, i-explain na naman kung ano iba't ibang nga courses. Starting with Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. In Information Technology, curiosity turns into solutions. Students design networks, develop applications, and secure programs that help our world connected. From classrooms to industry, students create technologies that shape how we live, work, and communicate.
In computer science, curiosity pushes the limits of possibility. Here we explore artificial intelligence, machine learning, and software engineering. Every line of codes becomes a building block for the future. Our students are not just programmers. They are innovators, problem solvers, and dreamers who redefine tomorrow.
In library and information science, curiosity becomes knowledge. Our student must learn to organize, preserve, and make information more accessible, both digital and traditional forms. Not more than books and archives, they are the guardians of information. In a world where knowledge is power.
Together, these programs forms the heart of CCIS, a community of learners, thinkers, and creators. We collaborate, we compete, we innovate. From research to real-world projects, from campus life to global opportunities. This is where passion meets purpose. At CCIS, every question sparks discovery. Every idea fuels innovation. And every spark of curiosity leads to creation and impact. We are the dreamers who ask questions, the creators who design solutions, and the innovators who shapes the future. We are the College of Computing and Information Sciences, where curiosity becomes creation. And if you are curious, just like us, enroll now.